pag inisip mo, oh, babayaran ko 14,000, dagdag ako ng mga 2,900 or 2,000 something, may extra services. So parang buy one, take one, di ba? Hi guys, welcome back. So, our Nissan Terra is now 36 months, so 3 years old na siya. So we brought it into Nissan Makati for its 36 months or 60K na mileage na service, yung PMS niya. We did this because ang plano ko was supposedly this is going to be the last service with Nissan. Kasi usually hindi ko na tinutuloy sa kasa after 3 years because para sa akin, after 3 years, kung may mga warranty issue, lumabas na lahat yon. So in 3 years time, kung walang naging warranty issue, I don't think there's something that is going to pop up anymore. So even with my other cars, I usually do kasa maintain for the first 3 years. Then after that, doon ako sa labas kasi makakatipid ako. So yun nga, nung pumunta ako doon, they checked and gave me an estimate. The 60,000 service, which is the 3 years, 36-month service, ang estimate nila is around 14,000 something. Tapos, may pinakita sa akin kahit na promo. Sir, pero meron kaming special promo now. So, 16,900, pero yung service mo ngayon, tsaka yung next service mo, which is the 70,000 kilometers or the, ilan yun, 36 to 42 months? After 6 months eh. So tama, the 42nd month. Kasama na. So parang, pag inisip mo, oh, babayaran ko 14,000, dagdag ako ng mga 2,900 or 2,000 something, may extra services. So parang buy one, take one, di ba? So hindi ko na inisip. So I decided, oh sige, kahit na hindi ko na plano mag-extend na dapat magpa-service, since parang inisip ko, oh nga no, from 14 something, 16 something, 2 to 3,000, next service ko covered na. Ginawa ko na, at the same time, my warranty is going to be extended for another 6 months. Kasi, well, if you think about it, more pa nga ng konti. Kasi now, if I'm still doing ang warranty nito is 5 years eh, but I was ready to give up the 5 years para makatipid na ako. But lumalabas ngayon, I can still have another extended ko pa, still within covered ng warranty, kasi nga, yung next ko service, automatically sagot na. But here's the thing, na by the time that I got home, after I paid for it already, pinag-isip-isipan ko na, it wasn't such a good deal pala, sobra. It still, may tipid ka. But it wasn't as big of a good deal that it wasn't as big of a good deal I thought it was. I thought it was buy one, take one halos eh. Yung pala meron talagang existing promo that they were actually giving discount. So parang 12% discount yata sa mga service or something. So if you look it up, search mo lang Nissan Philippines service promo, makikita mo may mga nandoy mga promo. So if you think about it, nasa mga bababa yung service ko dapat from 14 to around 12 na lang, 12 or 13, parang ganun bababa. And then if you add up my next service, which is not a big PMS, not a major one, tapos based on their promo nasa 6,000-7,000, so, dapat na sa mga 18 to 19,000. So, nakatipid ako ng mga 2,000 pesos. Pero, loob-loob ko, kala ko, shit, ang laki na natipid ko. Parang buy one, take one. Well, pero, it's still, I think, if you really have plans naman to continue servicing with your car sa kasa, it's still, alam mo, a savings of 1 to 2,000 is still a good deal kasi nakatipid ka. You just have to prepay it. So, pero, think it through. Pag meron na, no, parang feeling ko tuloy nabudol ako. Ang bilis kasi ng, oh sir, ito okay. Eh, nagmamadali rin ako because I was just dropping off the car. So, sabi ko, sige, sounds like a good deal. So, kinuha ko na. Kala ko talaga, deep in my mind, ito sa buy one, take one kind of promo. Kasi I pay for just a little bit more than the estimate now. I get the next service free. Di ba? But I'll show you here, I took a video of their promo mechanics, kung ano yung mga presyo for the Terra. This is for the Terra. Kung magkano yung babayaran mo na you're paying for basically 2 services already. Okay, guys, so thank you very much. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so.